Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to publish your Roblox game in Roblox Studio guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Upon finishing your Roblox game, make sure to save your progress guys. To do this, click on file. You just need to click on save to Roblox as. This will enable you to save your game to your Roblox profile guys. After doing it, now open up browser, log in to your Roblox website. Now go to this three slash icon and select profile over here. Click on the creation, and here you can able to locate your saved games guys. In order to publish the game, go back to Roblox Studio. Click on file, click on publish to Roblox as. Make sure to choose an existing game to save the new place guys. You can select add new place or overwrite an existing now guys. You can click on create to publish the game to the Roblox game library, and after that in Roblox library you can able to launch the game guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.